Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the internal explosion inside the pipeline here in interaction with soil. The internal explosion, the TNT is placed inside the pipe. If I click on the plot contour, you can see the deformation and damage and failure under this severe load. Let's me to click on animate. And also you can see the soil displacement here because of the pipe explosion or pipe expanding. So now let me just show the pipe, see the pipe, the damage of the pipe, the plastic strain, or everything. Let me click on animate and let's me to add all and see it in this view. See, this is soil compaction here. Here. And now let me just check the soil, the stress for the soil. We can use a limit, for instance this. Or we can use plastic. This is the plastic and the deformation is too much for the soil. See, it is around 1.25 meter, this deformation. Okay, if you need this tutorial, the internal blast explosion inside the pipe in interaction with soil, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on blue sign or on the title, and then you will have short explanation about the geometry, material, step, interaction, load, and the result as figures here. The file contains CAE, INP, and English video file step by step, and the cost is $27 US. If you have PayPal account, you can pay for that, and this is the best way for the payment. If you haven't PayPal, you can use a Visa or a MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.